क्रॉसिंग में गिरा था जो एनटीपीसी है वो अभी क्लियर हो रहा है, वो हो जाएगा आगे में। हिमाचल नॉर्थ का फेलियर उनके कंटिन्यू है, वो रेक्टिफाई
वहाँ पे लाइटनिंग हुआ था ना, एनटीपीसी ने भी अभी severe cyclonic storm Montha, which is expected to hit the AP coast. The Waltair division has taken various measures, which include opening of help desk at 9 prominent stations. All these help desks are equipped with information about all trains which are running, or trains which are cancelled, rescheduled, or diverted. These helpline numbers are available to public. So far as we have cancelled about 23 number of trains. These trains which are cancelled are mainly those trains which are running between 15 hours of today to 5 o'clock of tomorrow morning, because that is the time when the intensity of the wind will be highest, and as we all know that the railway line in Waltair division is between 5 km to 20 km away from the coast, so the wind speed will be expected to be very high. Apart from that, we have opened the additional refund counter, and all those refund counter had been provided with a sufficient number of cash, so that disbursement of refund should not be a problem for the general public. In order to ensure that there is a faster restorations, we have kept the excavator ready on the wagons, so that as and when those excavators are required to move to the railway side, they can immediately be moved. It is also expected that due to the high wind, we may have a power supply failure. Therefore, for running of trains and ensuring that the restoration is fast, we have kept 17 number of diesel power which can run even when the overhead electricity is not available. All of them are completely fueled. All our overhead water tanks which provide the supplies to stations and the colonies are fully watered, so that the wind impact on those overhead is less. Apart from that, all generator sets which railway own, and we have hired a large number of generator sets to ensure that the electricity is provided uninterrupted. We have taken measures of ensuring that all our tree cutting machines are ready. We have been seeing some stray incidents of tree fallen since morning, and our team have been working, and we know that with the more and more wind intensity coming up, it is expected that number of trees will increase which are falling, and our teams are geared up for that. All officers are in the either section or at their headquarters. We have arranged few satellite phone also, so that in case of a communication failure, the communication is available through the satellite phone, as well as we have our own railnet networks. So these two networks are going to provide us a communication.